All right, hello everybody. I just wanted to make a quick video showing how you can do the weekly mass email with KvCore if you wanted to just do it that way instead of having that plus like Constant Contact or MailChimp or one of those. This is kind of I guess, a cheap or free workaround. So let's get started. So first thing, you want to go to your KvCore and then go to Start a Campaign. And then we're going to go to Templates. Basically, this will be your template each week, and then before you send out your email, all you have to do is update just a few things and send it out. Template, email, whatever. And then you want to go to the advanced editor. Yes. This is where you're going to build your actual email. So you've got, this is what it's going to look like. Here's your smart buttons, and we'll kind of go through these. Obviously, text, image, button just allows you to click it back to a different website. Divider, just a page break. You can add social. Dynamic content is where it's going to pull directly from your KvCore website if you attach a MLS number to it, of like maybe a featured property, for example. You can do that with that button, and then you can also add video. Rows is kind of how you format over here with these. It's a little, I don't know, cumbersome to walk through or to work through the first couple of times. But after a few minutes, it gets pretty easy. And then settings, of course, is just adjusting the content in here. So, for example, if we wanted to do 2 panels up here and we wanted 2 images, we take these, and then you need to find whatever you want to use, which I created a folder just for this, and you can drag and drop. And then you drag and drop that. And the reason that I try to figure out this workaround is because being part of EXP, we get KvCore included already. So I was like, well, instead of paying for another service, why don't I just try to figure out this one? Even though Constant Contact I've heard is amazing, I'm cheap. I wanted to use this system. And then of course you can adjust it based on trying to get everything to look similar. You do that over here. And then from there you can add, for example, like a text box. And I've already pulled one up, so and of course you can edit it, the text however you want. Not going to go through all that. I mean, you get the general idea. And then you can do a page break. And then, for example, on the email that I did, I had a video embedded as far as just kind of introducing myself, because this is the first one that I sent. But you could do, for example, like every week, if you're wanting to feature a property, you just put that there. And then you can drag and drop a picture of that property. You can do dynamic content. And from here, you can do, like for example, you could do view the listing. And so whatever picture you put here of your featured property, right here, this is the button that's going to take it directly to that website. And the way it links it is with the MLS number. And then you could, for example, underneath that, you could put text. Check out. You could put this here, bold. And then you could do another dynamic one here. And you could do similar properties. So now it's going to auto load these things based on the MLS number that you put down. So you've got the one that you update each week, and you could even put and here you can copy and paste the marketing remarks, or for bed to whatever you can put down whatever information you want about this listing right here, and then just update that photo and update this text each week for your weekly email. And then if you wanted to do an additional just little tidbit of information, like for example, you could put an image here and do like a local restaurant. Upload a photo and then do a quick text about it. We could adjust this down too, that's way too big. And then you could do whatever, just check out this new place. You could put the address, the location, any of that kind of stuff down there as well. And then below that, you could do like your agent photo. Actually, let me change that. So what you could do is on the rows, we could change it again and do and now you can do dynamic content on each side. So on this side, you could do the agent photo, and then over here you could do your office photo, for example. And this is where you would put the MLS ID. So if you go to your and just find a house that you want to feature, put it right there. And now whenever you send the email, it will auto update any of the dynamic stuff. So this one, and then for here, you would just have to drop a photo in. And so if you like that, you view it, you can send, you can view it, do a preview. And this is going to upload that information once you send it out. You can send yourself a test. You can view it on mobile, see what it looks like. And then you can click Add Template. which I'm not going to do because I've already done this. So once you create the template, then what you can do is each month you can, or I'm sorry, each week you can go here and then do schedule email, and you're gonna schedule your email, and then you can send it because KvCore organizes them either by the saved filters or hashtags, and I have mine set up EXP leads and E7 are my circle prospecting leads. You can schedule when to send it. You can also schedule what time. Then you would pick a template, which weekly newsletter. It uploads your subject, the MLS ID. This is one you'll update each week depending on what property you're sending out to everybody. And then all you need to do is update just a few things. So this week, for example, I'm not going to do the video. I might do just the featured listing. So I will do my right there listing image, and then that's not what I want. I'll upload my marketing remarks. I've got the triple image. I did a few search buttons. Thanks for checking out my newsletter, my photo, my agent signature, and then of course all my info at the bottom. I update a few of those things. I pick the time, and then you just schedule it right here and send it out. So if you have kind of a basic template already set up, it takes you maybe just a few minutes to update this. And then as long as you've got your hashtag set up the right way, you can send it out to select a group of people. So I know this was a pretty basic overview. We kind of ran through a lot of the stuff pretty quick. So if you have any questions or you want to set it up a certain way, just shoot me a message and I'm happy to answer that. My name is Daniel. I'm an agent in Springfield, Missouri. We service Southwest Missouri. So if you have any questions, need anything, if there's anything in the world I can do for you, as Ricky says, just reach out to me. I'm happy to help. Thanks, guys.